Hi everyone, thanks for being here today. We are from Group 4 and let me introduce the member of the group. The first one is me, Halida Zulfan Hasbisno as moderator. Second one is Dewa Yang Sukmajaya, Gibran Azhar Firmantio, Rizabet Onasis, and last one Amarullah Syakub Prabowo. Before we start, I want to ask you guys, have you ever committed a traffic violation? Some of you must have done it, right? Today's topic has to do with traffic violation. As you can see from the slide before, we're going to discuss about how ATLE or ATLAM works. Here we have 4 points that we are going to discuss about. First, what is ATLE read by Riza, where ATLE installed read by Amar, how much the fine of violation using ATLE read by Dewayan, and last but not least, how ATLE works read by Gibran. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started.
I'm Riza. I'm going to explain about ETLE. Electronic Traffic Law Enforcement, or ETLE, is an electronic ticketing system that utilizes the performance of closed-circuit television, or CCTV, as its supervisor to control traffic violation on a number of routes. Etiquette are one of the innovations of the Korlantas Polri in improving IT-based payment service for traffic violation fines, making an integrated etiquette application with related agencies that have been agreed and coordinated by certain institutions. The application consists of 26 columns filled in by each agency with their respective authorities, with the process of managing data case of traffic violation ticketing using an online ticketing application. The implementation of the ticket application was first started in November 2016, and currently its application has begun to spread evenly in various cities. Next.
Number two is where is ATLE installed? The ATLE system relies on CCTV capabilities to record drivers. CCTV installed at strategic points of heavy traffic is used to monitor if there are traffic violations. In addition, the CCTV used is also capable of recording vehicle plates to facilitate the legal process of violating vehicles. By identifying the vehicle number plate, the police can easily find the owner's address and send him a ticket to the address list in the motor vehicles owner's book or PPKP. Then, if there is a vehicle that violation traffic regulation and is caught by CCTV, the officer who monitors the monitoring room will record the vehicle plate number. Not only applies to four-wheeled vehicles or car, etiquettes are also applied to motorcycle too. Next,
3. How much is the fine for the violation? The following is the amount of the electronic fine that you must know. Using a smartphone can be subject to a prison sentence of up to 3 months or a maximum fine of Indonesian rupiah 750 grand in accordance with Article 28.3 of the LLAG law. Not put a seatbelt on while driving is punishable by up to 1 month in prison or a fine of Indonesian rupiah 250 grand. Violation of road markings and traffic signs can be subject to a prison sentence of up to 2 months or a maximum fine of Indonesian rupiah 500,000 grand. 500 grand in accordance with Article 287, paragraph 1. Riding a motorcycle without put helmet on can result in a prison sentence of up to 1 month or a maximum fine of Indonesian rupiah 250 grand in accordance with Article 106, paragraph 8 of the LLAG law, that every driver and passenger of motorcycle is required to wear a helmet according to Indonesian National Standard or called SNE. Motorized vehicles that use fake number plates may be subject to a prison sentence of up to 2 months or a maximum fine Indonesian rupiah 500 grand in accordance with Article 280. By knowing the various kinds of violation as well as the nominal fines listed, traffic violators can directly pay the electronic ticket fines through tellers, ATMs, mobile banking, internet banking, and ADC to BRI ETLE account of Molda Petro Jaya.
4. How to ETLE works. Stage 1. The ETLE device automatically capture traffic violence that are monitored and sends media evidence of violence to the ETLE back office at the local Polda RTMC. Stage 2. Officer identify vehicle data using electronic registration and identification as a source of vehicle data. Stage 3. The officer sent a confirmation letter to the public address of the monitored vehicle for a request for confirmation of the violence that occurred. Stage 4. The recipient of the letter has a time limit of up to 8 days from the occurrence of the violence to confirm via the website of come directly to the office of the Subdirectorate of the Law Enforcement. Stage 5. After the violence is confirmation, the officer issue a ticket with payment method via BRI virtual account for a urge verified violence for law enforcement. Conclusion. ETLE is one the lot application that is used to the facilitate traffic monitoring.
Bran, itu bagianku, Bran.
Udah.
Udah.
Oh ya udah
Oke.
lanjut.
Berarti lanjut closing aja langsung ya.
Ya,
Aku on cam nggak?
closing.
Nggak, aku on cam nggak sekarang?
On cam.
Oke. Nggak buat closing aja ya berarti. Okay, we'll now move on to Q&A session. Well, we have covered the points that we needed to present today about how ATLE works. It can be concluded that ATLE is one of the IoT applications that is used to facilitate traffic monitoring. With the existence of ATLE, relevant agencies no longer need to be directly involved in controlling or monitoring various conditions on the street. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for your attention. If there are some mistakes, we sincerely apologize. Bye, guys. Selesai.
Udah kan?